Okay, let's have a look at a tricky subtraction here where we're going to have to borrow across places. But it's still the same process. And if we use our concrete materials or our representations, it really does help us. So we've got 600s here and 2 ones. We want to take away from that 435. But when I go to take my 5 ones, there's not enough there. I go to the 10s, there's no 10s there. So I have to go to the hundreds. So I'm going to smash up one of these hundreds because in each 100 there are 10 10s. So I take my 100, I'm going to smash it to be 10 10s. I need to represent that over here to show that that's what I've done. I took one of my hundreds and smashed it, so I now only have 5 hundreds, and I now have 10 10s. But again, I can't take my 5 ones away from that, so I'm going to have to do a second smash. My 10 here has 10 ones in it, so I can grab 10 ones. And put my 10 ones there instead of my 10. So now I will only have 9 10s left because I've smashed one of them. And now I have 12 ones that I'm using. Now I can take my 5 away and I'll be left with 7 ones. I have 9 10s here, but when I take away my 30, my 3 10s, I'm left with 6 10s. Notice I'm not saying just 6, but I'm always using the language of 6 10s or 60. We want to make sure that when we use or talk about our numbers that we're talking about their value. And now we have 500s. We're going to take 4 of those away to make our 400 down here, and I'm left with 100. So that shows how we had to do 2 smashings or borrowings from our previous house to be able to subtract the numbers.